Magandang araw mga pre. Maayong buntag sa mga Bisaya po diha. Ang undefeated future world champion ng Mexico na si Emmanuel Lucero ay nagtangkang agawin ang titulo na hawak ng ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao na IBF World Super Bantamweight. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa video ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, lalo na sa mga Bisaya po dira nga hilig og boxing. July ng taong 2003, kinasa ang nasabing bakbakat sa California, USA. Hindi pa nag-umpisa ang laban ay makikitang sobrang gigil na nitong si Lucero. Bit-bit ni Lucero mga pre ang kartadang 21 wins at 12 dito via KO, habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay may 36 wins, 2 talo at 27 dito via knockout.
Instructions are the direction. Do you have any questions? Touch the blocks and come back with the bell. Good luck.
Manny Pacquiao is one of the rare southpaws.
Sa unang round pa lang ng bakbakan ay makikitang kakaiba na talaga ang estilo nitong Mexicano. Sobrang nakayoko at may suntok na parang tira tsamba, at nahihirapan ang ating pambansang kamao na matamaan ito ng kanyang pamatay na left straight.
Lucero, originally from Mexico City, will have the support.
And the Mexican crowd has responded tremendously to him, even though Pacquiao trained here in Los Angeles.
Pacquiao trying to generate a rhythm in round one.
He's having a problem getting close to Lucero, but Lucero's getting so low, but then he can't operate too effectively himself from that position without telegraphing. Extremely low, and actually, according to the rule, you're not supposed to go below your opponent's waistline, which he did on a few occasions.
Now Pacquiao straightens him up with a left hand, and Pacquiao pins him against the ropes. Lucero trying to duck everything.
He's ducking, but he can't operate too effective himself in that time.
No, it's impossible to mount a counter offense when that's your... to the damage here in an odd and awkward first round.
And he's trying to time him about the week.
Pero sa second round, naka-adjust na ang ating kababayan. Sapul sa dibdib at sa ulo si Lucero. Bagamat tinatamaan ng mga solidong suntok itong si Lucero, ay patuloy pa rin ito sa pagbato ng mga tsamba niyang tira.
Too much effective, and especially when it comes to throwing combinations. When you crouch that low, you can basically spring with one punch, and after that, you lost your balance. Triggers man out. I don't think he's going to be able to hit him to the body that effective though.
Pacquiao taking advantage of a slow break at the end of that clinch to hit Lucero with a left hand over the top. Seems to have momentarily stunned Lucero. Now Pacquiao tries to continue the attack.
As the fight goes on, Lucero's going to put his hit. Absolutely.
There's a 3-punch combination by Lucero, one of the first multiple punch combinations he's tried in the fight. Lucero's hands look slow in this round. Body shot by Pacquiao and a big left hand. Again with the body. Lucero just taking the punishment, trying to duck away.
And it's very physically taxing when you're back.
Lucero won a lot of amateur fights with this style. Golden Glove Championships, New York State Amateur Championships. He must have just overwhelmed people.
When you ever got fight with me.
Pacquiao lands the straight left hand again. Fight has been one-sided in terms of meaningful contact, as virtually struggling to make weight. Would be a threat to knock out 126-pound kingpins Eric Morales and Marco Antonio Barrera. Your take?
I think he would definitely threat to both of those guys.
Sa pangatlong round ay dito na ang katapusan. ng malinis niyang kartada. Sa pole si Lucero, sa kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao.
And there's more accurate punching from Manny Pacquiao against a pretty tough target to find. Finally, Lucero gets in a counter left. 8 rounds here. Feeling as though he's in control against the man.
At sa lakas ng kamao, ay parang nawala sa mundong ibabaw ang kaluluwa ni Lucero. Parang nawala siya sa sarili at di niya alam kung ano ang nangyari.
Had a great style if people were throwing coins into the ring and he was trying to pick them up. But it was not. It was
Matapos tamaan ay tumalikod na lang ito bigla. Tumalikod na lang ito bigla nang masapol ng malakas na kaliwa. Tinigil naman agad ito ng referee dahil sa makikitang wala ng laban si Lucero.
probably out of danger by getting that ball.
Gives you a pretty good idea as to how heavy are Manny Pacquiao's hands.
Yes, and he did focus and concentrate.
A sitting duck target there for Pacquiao.
Pacquiao was timing his movement and he just
126.
so whenever he does decide to move up, I will take him as a serious threat to all the effect they take there.
All right, let's go to Michael Buffer for the official particulars on this TKO.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pacquiao.
Matapos kay Pacquiao ay lumaban pa itong si Lucero mga pre ng 18 beses. Pero 14 ito ay puro talo. Nagretiro siya taong 2013 matapos ma-TKO ng Amerikanong si Rod Salca.